Hey, to customize lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, all you have to do is just to click and hold with your finger on the empty space, and then from this you have to select the wallpaper and the style in the left bottom corner. Now you have to select the lock screen, and as you can see from this we can actually change some things. So let's start from the top. Now we can change the clock. We can even change the font of this clock. I mean the additional font, but because right here we are obviously changing the font. So let's say that I want to get, for example, this font. Also, we can change the font, the clock style. So we can move it to the left, to the right. We can get this analog clock. We can get the events of the calendar. We can get the calendar, and we can show the weather information just right here. And additionally, we can also change the color of all of this interface that's actually showing on the screen. But in my case, I'm just going to get this one. I really enjoy this one. And additionally, we can also make it bigger or smaller. Then you have to click done if you set up everything. Now, of course, we have to go back because we can also add here some widgets. So if you want to quickly access for some options, let's say that maybe you want to quickly access into the alarms. So we can click here, the alarm is visible, and we can maybe also get quick access into maybe the calendar events. There we go. Now we can scroll down, and from this one we can also change the notifications. So we can get the details notifications, and you can even set the transparency, or you can also hide the notifications. In my case, I'm going to hide them. And now we can add the contact information. So we can input here the number or basically any information that you want. And from this we can also adjust these shortcuts. So as default there's the phone dialer, but you can get, for example, the flashlight or, for example, the voice recorder. And now if you set up everything, you can just click done. And from this, when you lock the screen, that's how it looks. Pretty nice, right? But when you click on the clock, you can actually get into the widget menu. So we can also customize this one. So you have to go to the settings, and now from this you can actually reorder, so change position of any widget, and you can also add or remove any widgets. And now we can just go back, lock it one more time, click on it, and there it is. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.